go, play it. Woo, came on.
Nice. Good thought.
Come on, Camo. Get in there. You got it, Camo. You got it.
There we go, there. Yes. Woo! Well done, boys. That's it. This is it. One touch it. Yes. Nice play. Well done.
Good job, Nathan.
Nice run, Nathan.
This one again.
Did you say no spanking?
No bacon.
No bacon.
I said I think he already had his bacon.
I heard spanking.
Not this time.
All right.
Next time.
Nice ball.
Put out. Put out.
Oh, nice move.
Oh.
Nice shot. Well done.
Nice finish.
Well done.
I missed that. I was quiet.
Might as well throw a saddle on the poor kid.
Appreciate it, bro, Mark. You got my back. Love it.
Don't be off.
Let's get one, Casey. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Yeah! Well done. Woo! Woo! There.
Look how quick throwing, Kyle.
Quickly.
Quick. We got a second.
Beat him, Parker. Beat him.
Go, Parker.
You guys got 2 minutes.
Yo, time.
Come on.
Shoot it.
Now. Shoot it.
Ooh, shoot it.
Take
There.
shot.
Nice shot. What a shot. Woo! That's what they're doing. That's what they're doing.
Stay on side.
Now. Play it. There. Whoa!
Like rules, you know?
Top of the 18, Kyle.
But
Top of
yesterday
the 18.
in the
Oh, like the tournament rules?
yeah, a couple of the boys played in the U13 C game, and the goalie caught the ball and they did a sub. So I guess it's whatever the ref wants.
Because Tyler was going to take him, but Ethan didn't let him.
Oops. Have it again.
Nice.
In.
There. Oh man. Yeah. Nice.
Good job, Casey. Way to be there.
All right. Let's go. Let's get one. Send Juan.
You know
Make
why
a run in. Get ready.
You know why they use that stuff, Natalie, for the base?
For the integument to stick to. Oh, there it is. In.
Woo! Just lob it in.
Yep, that's what we wanted, guys.
Yeah. Well done, send Juan.
Right there.
Nice ball. Nice ball. Nice ball. Come on. Oh, yeah. Woo! Nice shot. Woo! Nick, that was Nick. Well done. Good pass, Casey.
Hey, Rick and Eddie, no letdown, guys. Come on.
Just watching the ball. Going, what is happening?
Don't hesitate, boys. Let's go now.
First time ever.
Yeah. Yeah. Looking good.
Nice.
There, came on. Till time. Oh, came on. Nice job, Grayson. Yeah. Well done, Grayson. Woohoo!
Come on, guys.
Well done, Grayson. Yep.
Send that.
Whoa, man.
Still in.
Still in.
Send it.
Good. Left foot. It's all right. Nice try. Huh? There. Shoot it.
Grayson needs a
Oh, hit the net. He got one already.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, he got the second goal.
Yeah, he works really hard.
Yeah.
Play it back to Eddie.
Nice, Eddie. Play back to Eddie. Fun. Ethan is open.
With that.
Send it. Nice job, Eddie.
Let carry it for a while.
That's it. Good. Good move.
Look at that camel right there. He just came there right there.
He was trying to pass to
He's pulling his.
Shoot,
Yeah,
shoot.
that's it. Exactly. This is it. Whoa, nice. Yeah! Grayson! Woo!
Beautiful shot. That was beautiful. Jump on the line. Successfully.
Pressure, pressure. There you go.
There you go.
There, that's gorgeous. Come on, nice play. Shoot it. There.
There's another goal.
There, yeah. Woo-hoo! Nice shot.
Getting bored?
Look at that. Look at that. Again, hit it. Hit it. Hit it. There. Woo! Oh, looking good. There, came off. There, go. Who wants it? Nathan wants it. Nice ball. That was a very calm goal.
They never got the ball past this. They never got past on the line. So they move Eddie forward.
This is reward him. He's been doing a lot of good defending, so just let him play up front. Nice cross. That's it. Yeah. Woo! Nice goal. Let's go to the ball, White. Nice job. There. Nathan, go. Let's go. Get it. Woo-hoo! Well done. Nice pass.
Nice ball, Camo.
Way to finish, Nathan.
Beautiful.
Quick throw in.
Right back to adult mediums next year.
In the middle.
You have a shot.
Middle.
Center.
Yes! Oh, hit it in. All right, well done. Woohoo!
100 yards to make up, John.
No, they can switch the player.
They don't have anybody up here. They're just defending with their whole group.
There we go. That's it. Oh, come on.
Get in there.
Yes. Yeah. Well done. That's it.
Go! Shoot it! Go now!
Yeah. There. Keep the spirit up.
That's how we finish it. Come on.
Yeah, there. Oh, well done, San Juan.
Don't get dirty.
Come on, Dad. It's soccer. You're supposed to get dirty. That's the whole point of it.
They did great.
Well done, boys. There we go. Come on, let's go. Woo!
Hold on, boys.
Well done, Lightning. One more.
Good job, boys. Don't hurt each other now.
Well done, San Juan. Keep your hands up.
Good job, boys.
Thatcher. And Parker. Nathan.